How to fix crap game crashing on Steam. First you want to go to the library and right click on the game in your library, and then you want to open up the properties window. Now in general tab under launch options you want to add the following command, which is -dx11, or you can try -d3d11 if the first one did not work. And then you want to go to the installed files, click on verify integrity, and wait for it to repair the files. Now once this is done, you want to check that you have the latest update for your graphics card or your GPU. So if you're using an NVIDIA GPU, you can download the NVIDIA app from your browser and then go to the drivers category, and then select Game Ready Driver, check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest available update. Now once you're done, before restarting your system, you want to open up your browser and search for Redist. Click on the first Microsoft link. Then you want to scroll down to this table right here and download the 86 and the 64 version and install them, both of these versions. And then once you're done, you will need to restart your computer. So you can just go to the power button and restart. And after the restart, you will need to run Steam as admin. So type Steam, right click and run as admin. And then you can run the game again, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.